Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Mivi Roam 2 Bluetooth speaker. This is a lovely looking box and it's quite heavy actually, so I'm assuming this is a Bluetooth speaker that packs quite a punch. And there's some information in the box itself, like this one has 5 watts of sound, 24 hours of playtime, and also supports Bluetooth 5.0, which is expected. What else is there? There's engineered and made in India, which is great. Push the limits written over here. Okay, some more information on this side. Super solid base with powerful drivers, water and dust proof, premium build with metallic grille, 24 hours playtime at mid volume. Pair 2 Roam speakers for double sound, which means that this particular device comes with dual pairing capabilities. 2000 mAh large battery, not bad at all. Portable and easy to carry. Proudly made in India. Okay, let's take a look what's inside. That's one. It's a little small box here. Very stylish packaging, I must say. I mean, the black and green combination is generally not the best combination, but they're totally pulling this off and I like it so far. This is a warranty registration card. I'm going to put this right here. Right. Yeah, it's kind of clashing with the blue background. I did not foresee the green to be everywhere, but that's okay. There's a smaller box and I'm assuming this is the one that has all the documents. So I'm going to open it up. And there we are. Yes, this is the document. There's a lot of instructions on this box itself. I don't know if you can see this. I'm going to zoom out the camera just a little bit so you can get a better view. There you go. Yeah. See, there's a lot of information in the box itself, like the craftsman note, like how it was made and who all were involved and how much effort has gone into it. They really, basically, this particular company, Mivi, really cares about their products and they want the consumer to also care about their products, which is great actually. This is a welcome note from Mivi. I'm going to keep this on top of this because these are really large. And finally, this is the user manual. Quite a large user manual once again. You can see, I mean, it's quite big. This has every instruction that you need to follow in order to set this particular device up. However, I will do that in another video. So yeah, so stay tuned for that. Let's take a look at the device itself. There we are. This is what the Mivi Roam 2 Bluetooth speaker looks like. I'm going to keep this here and take a look at the box and see what other stuff is there before I actually go and delve deeper into this particular device. Okay, wrapped around the box, I don't know if you can see there, that's a USB charging cable. I'm going to pull it out carefully without breaking the box because it's really nice packaging. And we are here. This is a charging cable and there's another cable which I'm assuming is the 3.5mm jack. Yes. So yes, this is a micro USB charging cable for the Roam 2. Keeping this over here. And this is a 3.5mm jack for when you need to connect it to an output device, like for different input, different output. Depends on the situation. Keeping this here as well. Now let's take a look at the portable Bluetooth speaker, the Mivi Roam 2. This is what it looks like. It is not the lightest Bluetooth speaker out there, but it is not the heaviest one either. The box actually with all the other paraphernalias and documents seemed much heavier, but it's not. This is very compact and has a weight to it. Has a weight to it. It's not heavy, but has a weight to it. It's not going to. It's a very stable product. It's not going to fall and break itself. That's for sure. It's a very durable product. This is the metallic grille finish that was written on the box. Very nice, very stylish. There are 4 rubber stops over here so that you could place the device like this in an upright fashion. These are your media controls, the play button, volume up and down button, and this I think is the multifunction or on and off button. We will find out in a while. What else do we have? It's a lanyard for you to carry it around. Great. There's a tiny flap here. Let's see what in here. Yes. Yeah, there's a 3.5mm jack and a micro USB port. Also, there's a large Mivi logo at the back over here. You can see this. Yeah, There you go. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the MIDI Roam 2 Bluetooth speaker. Thank you for watching.